وريها ايوه
نوده
فهمت
عافماده
وحبودي إنك استنى سكرمين ما لا هذا إنترنت
انترنت ما ولا
يا
معي
هذا حاجة شيء بيشتغل
تي هولا كلام نسوي بسدي
إنترنت بلي هدبة
عينو هولا كلام كاستعمالها
وإنترنت ما نيو هولا وديو
هاي
لا يمكن ما يقعي مركب وحنا بهانا إنترنت تلو يا مركب أفكارنا أنا مش شو قام بي اسكت أمي أنا قام بي ولا ما ودي
يا تقول محل
أنا بكوا سؤال واحد ده هو ده خلاص واحد
No, we don't.
وأنا قد دتك إلى هنا ودي الناس كده.
Thankfully, no, we don't.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you sit?
Yeah, please have a seat. Yeah, have a seat.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Deborah. How can I help you?
You English?
Yes, I am. You?
No, I am Marty. I'm not English. I am Marty.
What is Marty?
Marty علشان اسكت شوك ما أنت تقولون ميلان اسكت.
Something that. What is Marty?
Yes, Marty come in another country.
Right. Okay, immigrant.
You have internet?
Do I? Yeah, I do actually. Why?
Can you please connect because I have my internet not working. Can you connect?
Sure. It's just I'm going to be going in a few minutes. Is that all right? Yeah.
10 hours.
10 minutes. That's fine. 10. Yeah, that's fine. No worries.
10 hours معقول. لا 10 but what is I
There you go. Okay, it's working.
Oh, okay.
Right. Thank you.
well, ما تنتهي. Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy.
تذكر ساعة بلدك وين؟ وين؟ Hi.
Hi.
You, where are you from?
Japan.
Japan, and China, brother?
Yes, kind of.
Japan, China, brother. What's your name?
Nobue.
Bua.
Nobue.
Okay. I will use.
Okay. Bye-bye. Such a cute man, wasn't he?
Yeah.
He just wanted the internet.
What happened?
I don't know. He said he wanted the internet or something. I don't know. Maybe maybe he wants to have an international community.
Okay.
Because he asked me for my nationality and you for your nationality. He said he was what? Marty?
I can't understand.
Oh dear, yeah. I don't think he was English. Oh well, never mind. Cool. Right, I have to get going. So I shall see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Right. If I can get...
Very full today.
Yeah, I have to dig it. But winter is finally here. The joy of England. Take care. Bye.
Wow, hello.
Yeah?
Don't go. Sit, please.
What do you mean sit?
What sit? Because I am, you know, I call somebody and I'm United Nations and because the ITRAF is coming soon, the Somali, and that's why. Please wait.
Yeah, I understand. Look, I understand, but I have to go. Look, I have to go to work.
Please.
No, look, I have to. I understand. Look, you can ask him. Yeah? Ask him. Ask him for internet.
Please.
Ask him. Look,
Please.
Ask him for internet.
Because the ITRAF coming soon, you know. Please.
I understand that he's coming soon, but I have to go. Look, I have to go. Bye-bye. Bye, Nico.
Bye.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Don't go. Please.
Look,
Wait.
I have to go.
Please wait.
Look, Nico, can you please help me?
I connect with the internet because if you go, the connect is.
Yeah, I understand, but look, you can ask him, you can ask her, you can ask another person, you can ask one of them. I have to go to work.
Please. I work with
Please get
Indonesian
out of the way.
and some international community.
Get out.
يا الله حظي يا please.
I have no idea what you're saying. I have to go.
Because it's not coming soon, you know. Listen, when I call, that's now. Yeah.
Please. Excuse
Oh
me.
my God. Please, excuse me, please.
I have to open. Look, I have to go to work. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Excuse me. Please, wait. Internet is cutting, you know. Please wait. Look, I understand, but I have to go. I understand that you need the internet, but I have to go. Bye-bye.
Excuse me. Please. You know, Mr. Obra,
Yeah.
Just, I have very important to talk to someone else, you know. And if you
I
move...
understand, but I have to go. I understand that you need the internet.
I connect with your internet.
Yeah, but you can connect to another internet, or you can top up, or you can get a different connection. Okay?
Please.
No, I have to go.
Okay. Excuse me, please. Where, you go far away?
Now I have to go to work. I have to go just around the corner. Okay?
إلهي يا غني قبسي يا. How you? You. واقع وش غينية إن يربا كهدي وش غينية نعم واقع.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Hello.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Get out.
Huh?
Get out of my car.
No, just internet. I will use you, connect with you.
Look, I know you're connected.
No, enough, 10 hours. I will tell you 10 hours.
I understood 10 minutes. I tried to help you, but I have to go. Please get out.
No, 10...
This is my car.
Yes, I know your car.
Yeah?
Yeah, your car. But wait, I have very important someone else I talked to. Yeah.
Okay, I understand, but look, I tried to help you, and I cannot help you anymore. You have to find somebody else. Please do not fall into the car.
Now you're soon you're back at Saturday one house.
Look, don't be like this. I'm going to call the police.
Police, yeah. Call the NATO. Even call NATO. Why police? Yeah. Police already. أنا أكتب امتحان السنة كور.
Excuse me. No. Get out, please.
إلهي يا غنم. تمامي. You call the police?
Yes, I will call the police. Get off.
Or you call army?
I will call the police. The army does not deal with this. Get out, please.
Call David Cameron. Yeah. But when I was so tough, but you look to him because he could.
Okay. To help somebody, and that's how they repay you.
Oh. لا قد تقول له. Say it. Understand? Yeah. يا إلهي يا غنم.